Sometime here, just rescued some funky looking carrots out of the garden. I don't know, they look like mutants to me. We got one semi-normal one here on the right. He's a pretty good size. But, I don't bloody well know what that one is. This little guy here looks more like an onion or something, but it is indeed a carrot. See, we got a pop can top there, pop bottle top there for size comparison. You can see he's pretty big. Anyway, we're not really sure what's causing these mutant carrots to grow. Don't know if it's the soil or the seeds, or maybe we're adding too much zone grow to it. We're not really sure. Anyway, just wanted to show you some of the strange carrots we get out of our garden. Sometime here, we'll catch you later.